Oh, landing. Hey guys, welcome back. So today we've got the MN99 sent to me from Vanguard. Thank you, Vanguard. Exciting times for the channel. Get to test and review some trucks. And yes, we've got a new stock MN99. As you can see, the lights are staying on, which is it's a nice new feature. And out the box, you can't go wrong for about $50. You get in a fully proportional 3-wire servo, metal pinion and ring differential gears in there. We've got a 260 motor, some nice soft tyres, and some nice soft friction dampers as well. So we're going to be hitting the trail today, and we're going to be starting off here, heading down there. We've got quite a bit of a hill there. So yeah, let's hit the trail. As always guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell. So one thing I'm noticing straight away, compared to my old MN99 and the 96, is the electronics seem to be a bit smoother. You get a nice form of slow control, as opposed to a jolty, had to be very light on the trigger indeed. So yeah, that's a nice new feature. I think they've revisited their electronics. Yeah, quite a steep hill here now, so it's going to be a good test for the tyres. God, straight up, straight up. Now one thing it did say on the box, I don't remember seeing on the old box, was brake control. So let's try coming back down, see if that motor holds, because my old MN99 would just roll. Controlled roll, don't get me wrong, but yeah, there's no brake control. No brake control there. So I'm pulling to the left slightly. We've got a trim control there, so we're going to trim that in slightly. If we watch the wheels coming in, lovely jubbly. Out of the box, this is a good bit of fun, I'm not going to lie. Perfect for a nice trail like this, or a beaten path. Go find some nice lines to take. Plenty of power in that 260 motor. It's stalling out on me at all. Bit of a tricky line here, take my time. Got a gap in the roots there. Do like that the lights stay on now all the time. It's a nice little feature. Easy peasy. Another tricky section coming up here. Lots of rocks to get over and a steep hill up the other side. Bad driving on my part there, sorry guys. There we go, nicely. Plenty of flex. Oh, I think I found myself hooked up there on a rock. Back it up. I'll put this down to one-handed driving, I think, guys. Excuses, I know. There we go. Avoid that rock. Let's see if we can get up the steep hill on the other side. Wow, bit too steep for it. I did mention in the unboxing and test review, it is a bit top heavy, so it's not very good on the hill climbs. There's some simple mods you can do. You can add some weight to the wheels, obviously, or 4 screws, and the entire roof comes off, lowering the centre of gravity instantly. Give it another go, try going slowly. Yes, little MN. Tore through that like it was nothing. Oh, timber! So yeah, like I said before, that was one of the downsides I mentioned this truck. We've got super soft suspension and a heavy hard body. So if you're not taking your time, you will topple. Timber! So another thing you can get, if you don't want to be adding weight to the wheels or remove the roof completely, you can get an A roof, which is like a half cab roof, which lightens the top half of the truck again. But if you take your time and let the suspension actually catch up with itself, it is a pretty capable little rig straight out of the box. I think we're seeing that brake control in action. No. Oh, landing. Tricky little line here. Nicely up. So I'll be leaving links in the description below where you can get one of these for yourselves. So we got the MN99, which is what we're running today, the MN99S and the MN96. They all pretty much use the same hardware, so I recommend all three of those. As you can see there, I'm barely touching the throttle here. I got more than enough power to get me up here. I'm just obviously trying to keep it controlled. Here we go, now we're in line. So guys, if you made it this far, well, thank you very much. Let's talk a bit about the free giveaway. I plan on giving this truck away to one lucky subscriber. And like I said, I'm not going to just do a video, same free giveaway. Comment below. I'm going to be doing this sort of method where what we're going to do, if you want to be in with a chance of winning and you've made it this far, you're actually watching the content. What we'll do in the comment section below, comment VIVA THYC. So VIVA THYC, and you'll be in with a chance of winning this. And I'll pick one lucky person at random, and we'll announce the winner in the next couple of weeks. And we're going to finish with one of my favourite lines today, guys. Up and through the trees. Got a tricky step up here. This can catch some rigs off guard. I'm hoping the MN99 will take it with ease. Oh, them back tyres straight up. This is the tricky bit now. Hey, try and catch it. There we go. Lovely. Through she goes. Let's bring her back the other way. Why not? Awesome little truck, guys. Highly recommend. You cannot go wrong. Straight out of the box. There's plenty of fun to be had. Blaming this on my my one-handed steering here. There we go. Nice and slow, controlled. Hey! So yes, cheers for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.